Guys, we're in a mysterious place in the northern Xinjiang. Here's a mysterious stone pile made by man. It is definitely not created by nature but human beings. It's said to be the tomb of grandson of Genghis Khan. Why is it mysterious? Let me show you. Its secret. That mystic stone pile has a bottom length of 75 meters and height of 20 meters. Its foundation is meter deep in the earth. The stones in it are no less than the ones upward. You can only find such stones on the snow mountains afar. To build such a giant and occult pile, it required so many people to bring the rocks here from those mountains over there. For a rock of that size, a horse can only carry one or two. Oh my! How many years and generations of people did it take to build such a pile? Round is a circle, which looks like a sacrificial altar. Check this place out. There is a square area at the north of the pile. It should be a sheepfold of the tomb. I think the nomads here, believing that the one buried here was a respectful man. There are many things buried with him. Maybe thousands of cattle are buried under there, right? As the saying goes, what I have when I'm alive, I will have them when I'm dying. This is a giant snow pile of the three lakes of Genghis country in Altai, Xinjiang. You can find it easily. Follow me to see more of Altai in Xinjiang. Let's go!